Yo, what's good people, it's JayCactus, and in today's video, I've got another real special one for you. One, because I don't really upload on Saturdays. My usual schedule is every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 PM. But the other reason is that I've dropped another free pack. So it was only a few days ago that I dropped the free drum kit for you all, but now I'm dropping a free MIDI kit for everyone, which I've created with my boy Dixon Beats. If you don't know who Dixon Beats is, he's a sick producer and another YouTuber. He's been killing it for a while, so definitely check out his content. Me and him have just finished recording a podcast too, so that's going to be out real soon, hopefully within the next week. So definitely check that out if you want to learn about how to grow on YouTube and how to grow a business around music. But yo, this kit's crazy. We both put together 5 beats and we're giving away the midis, all royalty free too. So you get the midis for the melodies, you get the stems to the melodies, and you even get the midis to the 808. So a lot of people tell us that they struggle to get them drill 808 patterns, so hopefully these midis are going to help everyone. And just to show you how it works, I'm going to talk you through the kit now, and I'll make a beat using one of Dixon's midis. But to make it more interesting, I'm going to give myself a 10-minute time limit, just to show you how quick you can cook up a fire beat with the kit. The link to the kit is in the description, and I've also included the free drum kit in that as well. So if you haven't got the free drum kit already, just grab this MIDI kit and it's got everything included, so you don't need to go through 2 links. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'll give you a quick preview of the pack, and then I'll set a 10-minute timer and try cook up a fire beat with one of the loops that Dixon made. In drums, I just put the free preview kit that I put out this week, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, just download this kit and it's got everything that you need. And then in loops and MIDI, you've got 5 from me and then 5 from Dixon Beats. So I'll give you a quick preview of mine and then show you the ones from Dixon Beats. I'll pick one of them and then we'll go. So you can see I've put the BPM in the key, and then inside of there, you've got the MIDI files, so you've got the 808 and then the instruments, and then you can preview the full loop. And then you've got the strings, basically all of the stems to it. So just preview the full loop, grab the one that you like, and then you can dissect it with the midis or the stems. So I think this one is what I showed in my last video. I made a beat and I said that you could use it. So if you watch my last video, you'll recognize this one. Alright, so it's just a quick preview. So in Dixon Beats, let's see what he's got. Sounding hard already, dark. It's one of them ones you could tell a story to. This one's sick. Yo, you could get some mad energy in this one. It's kind of grimy, but drill at the same time. Getting another sick one. Could be grime or drill. Yeah, this one's hard. I'm thinking to go with this one. If you don't know how midis work, it's real simple. I'll give you a quick example. So let's say you wanted to use the bell, but you wanted to change the instrument to your own. I've just pulled up a sampler just to make it easier. I don't think I'm going to change the instrument this time, but all you do is just drag the MIDI over it, and now you can see all of the notes. So I'd recommend maybe playing with the velocity. Sometimes when you transfer midis over, then the velocity just stays the same. But if you want to add a more human touch, then just try play with the velocity a bit. And then the same goes for the 808 and all the other instruments too. So say for example, you didn't want to use the 808 that's included in the pack, you wanted to use your own, then just drag the 808 over the 808 that you've chosen. And again, you can see the notes there. If you want to work with the stems to the loops, then literally just drag them into your playlist. So set the BPM, which is 140 for this one. You could drag in the full loop, or drag in the stems so you can rearrange it a bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to cook up a beat using the stems. I'll give myself 10 minutes max, and the time starts now. So the first thing that I want to do, yeah, this one, just a distorted 808. I'll bring in the 808 MIDI, and I also need to add this so that it's going to play the drums. In the 808 MIDI, I need to make these slide, so I can click on all of these. Check that you need to do this with the midis that you use. I think it depends on the DAW that you're using, but I could be wrong. So that one's a slide too. And I also need to change the 808. Bring everything down but the hold, so now it's only going to play for as long as I make the note. And I'm actually going to make these smaller too. Yeah, like that. position this one different too. And then I'm hearing 4 at the end here. So I'm going to chop this up. Bring another slide down. Make this one come. Yeah, maybe C again. Then E. Up an octave. Yeah, there we go. I'm just going to bring these down a little bit. Alright, let's go. Kick maybe. Yeah. Copy this pattern. Paste it in the kick. Get rid of these slides. Just so there's no double notes. Bring everything down with Alt and K. And then Shift and D. Let's roll with that for now. Alright, so snare. Yeah. Hi-hats next. Yeah, this one. Start off with a basic pattern, just because I know the drill bounce, and then I can copy this about here. Alright, let's see what I can do. Alright. Yeah, I might just copy this. I could maybe stretch this one out, make it a bit more interesting, and then glide it up. Alright, open hat next. Yeah, that one. I might want to change the length on some of them, that's why I've changed the envelope. Try this, so I can make this one simple pattern. Perks, I'm gonna pull in a few. Definitely these two, my favorite perks at the start. Alright, see if I can make one of these more interesting. Maybe if I split this one up. Alright, let me start arranging it quick because we've only got 3 minutes left. Alright, quick. Split by channel. Bring everything down. Bring these across. I'm going to add in some effects too. Alright, so for the start, let's just have this. Maybe the hi-hats. Take this out. So hard. Let me grab one more effect. Let's grab an impact. Yeah, this one. Turn the volume down. Bring that to about here. What else we got? Let's go miscellaneous. Yeah, that camera flash. I can go here too. Just a real impactful drop. Alright, we got 2 minutes. Yeah, it sounds cold. Everything's gonna come back out here. Open that's coming back out. Everything back in. Yeah, there we go. These can come back in. How long we got? Alright, less than a minute. Can start slowing down now. Out. Maybe everything back in. In fact, the hi-hats should come straight away, like this. Oh, they can stay in. Alright. This can repeat. Alright, we're done. We're done. Alright, so I'll show you what I've got so far. For 10 minutes, it wasn't too bad. Drops hard. It's got some mad energy. It's kind of a grind beat. That brass is sick. Everything slows down. made a few more cuts just to add a little bit more variation, but I only had 10 minutes. But same way, it stays energetic all the way through. It's still structured pretty well, still arranged pretty well. Let me know who you could hear on this in the comments. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. Dixon Beats is releasing his video tomorrow where he makes a beat using one of my midis. So make sure you check that out tomorrow. And if you haven't already, check the link in the description to the free MIDI and drum kit. And I'll see you next time.